Hello and welcome to Netsol IT Solutions Private Limited. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the transportation management system that is developed by Netsol IT Solutions Private Limited. This is the login page. When we open the system, we have an option to select the financial year. We put in the username and password. Every user will have its own username and password, and the system is accessible user wise. So the management can decide which user can have how much access to the system. We click on login. The system has multiple features like tax management, e-way bill, e-invoicing options, etc. We also have options for accountings and reports for bookkeeping. Now, when we log in, we can see this company name here. So if you have multiple companies that you want to manage, they will be listed here. When we click on this company, we go ahead and we land on the dashboard where we can see an overview of the transactions of the current system date. Now, on the top corner, we have a master. This is where we can create all the accounts and customers in the system. First, we create branch. So, if your company has multiple branches, they can be created here. We go to go down. Go down is basically the warehouses that the company has. So, if you have different warehouses where your items are stored and you want to move them from one place to another, this is where the warehouses can be created. Then we go to items. This is where we create the items. So we have code, name, a unit of items, a description, from which warehouse it is coming from. We can see here quantity of the items, and we can also add new stock from here. So this is where we create items that the company transports. Then we go to the company rate list. This is where we can create location wise rates that the company wants to charge its clients. GST is for taxation management. Truck master, this is where we can create details of the vehicles that are used for transporting the items, where we can have the owner or the driver name, the address, vehicle type. These all vehicle types can be created from the back end of the system. Truck number, date of registration, and the location where it is registered. We also have a truck report to see all the lists at one place. Also, all the information in the system can be imported via an Excel file as well to make the work easier. Diesel pump and party master. So diesel pump is if you want to add information of the fuel pumps from where the fuel is loaded. Party master is where we can have information of all the clients. Delivery master is the places where the delivery takes place. So your bill to and ship to addresses can be different, so that can be managed from the system here. Transaction. Arrival entries are of all the materials that are coming from one place and that we want to move to the other place. Dispatch is to create the memo entries and the list of items that we want to move from our warehouse to the other places. Invoicing can be created from here. They can be printed and you can also have it downloaded as a report. Cash book, bank book is all the information for the payments that we have received via cash or via bank. You can also have a credit note and debit note updated in the system. And also, if you are paying anything to your labor as say the truck drivers or the vehicle drivers, those entries can be added here. Fuel cost entries can be added here. Reports, we have all accounting related reports like cash book report, bank book report, trial balance, profit and loss report. So this is where you can see your company performance. All these reports can also be given on a monthly basis. You can have destination wise report also about how much travel your vehicles have done. Utility is where we create all the information while creating the new company in the system. So when you buy our software, this is the place where our team would help you up in setting up the system. Apart from this, if you would like to know anything about our system, we would like you to contact our team at Netsol IT Solutions Private Limited.